What if I told you that every time you avoid a conversation, you're actually making your shyness stronger? It feels like you're protecting yourself, but in reality, you're training your brain to become even more afraid. The good news? Once you understand this cycle, you can begin to break it. And that may be the turning point you've been waiting for. Have you ever wanted to speak but walked away? Wanted to introduce yourself but stayed silent? Wanted to send a message but deleted it? If so, you've experienced a cycle that keeps shyness alive. It looks like this. Let's break it down. It begins with anxious thoughts. What if I embarrass myself? What if they don't like me? What if I say the wrong thing? Suddenly your heart races, your confidence disappears, and your mind focuses on everything that could go wrong. To escape those uncomfortable feelings, you stay quiet. You avoid eye contact. You decide not to join the conversation. In that moment, it feels like the safest choice. Almost immediately, the anxiety disappears. You feel safe again, and your brain rewards you for avoiding the situation. But that's where the problem begins. The next time a similar situation appears, the fear is even stronger. Your confidence feels even lower, and avoiding it becomes even easier. Before long, this pattern becomes a habit. Imagine someone who's afraid of swimming. If they never get into the water, will the fear disappear? Probably not. It will grow. The same thing happens with shyness. Every time you avoid a conversation, your brain learns that situation must have been dangerous. But most conversations aren't dangerous. Your brain has simply learned to treat them that way. So, how do you break the cycle? Not by forcing yourself into overwhelming situations, no. And not by waiting until you feel confident. Confidence comes after action, not before it. The answer is small, consistent exposure. Think about building muscles. You don't lift the heaviest weight on your first day, do you? You start small. Confidence works the same way. Today, smile at someone. Tomorrow, say hello. The next day, ask a simple question. Small actions repeated consistently create lasting confidence. Start with low-pressure situations. Smile. Make eye contact. Greet a neighbor or colleague. Then move to short conversations. Ask, how's your day? As your confidence grows, challenge yourself a little more. Share your opinion, tell a short story, start a conversation. Progress happens one step at a time. When you're nervous, your mind will imagine the worst. Instead of asking, what if I fail? Ask, what if I grow? Focus on the person you're talking to. Listen carefully. Stay present. Remember, people aren't looking for perfection. They're looking for connection. Every time you choose courage instead of avoidance, celebrate it. Maybe you greeted someone. Maybe you started a conversation. Maybe you simply spoke when you wanted to stay silent. Those moments matter. Each one teaches your brain a new lesson. I'm safe. I can do this. Some conversations will be awkward. Some won't go as planned. That's normal. Growth isn't about getting everything right. It's about refusing to let fear make your decisions. The more you face your fears, the weaker they become. Here's the challenge. Today, Take one small step outside your comfort zone. Smile at someone, start a conversation, or simply say hello. Say hello to someone you would normally ignore. Then come back and tell me in the comments what you did. Your story could encourage someone else who's trying to do the same. If you don't want to wait, I've explained the entire process step by step in my book, Breaking Free from Shyness. You'll find the link in the description. In the next episode, we'll explore something even more powerful. How to build genuine self-confidence from within. Not confidence that depends on other people's approval, but confidence that stays with you wherever you go. If this video helped you, subscribe to Rise and Conquer. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chapter. And remember, avoidance keeps fear alive. Action makes fear weaken. Until next time, don't let fear write your story. Rise and conquer.